Hi there, my name is Trash. I'm going to really quickly teach you on how to add an OBS theme. So you want to search up OBS plugins, click the first link for OBS Studio plugins, go down to themes, find one that you like, we'll click this one today, click download, show in folder, open that up, and now you're also going to want to go to your C drive. Going to go to program files, OBS Studio, data, OBS Studio, themes, and we are just going to grab these. Now you can pick either with font or without font. I'm going to pick without font. Grab both of those, drag them into here. Press continue on both that will potentially pop up. And now you're going to need to restart OBS. Alright, now that you've restarted OBS, go up to Files, Settings, wait for it to pop up, and right here in Theme, it'll give you them. And right there is the one that we installed. Give it a moment to load up. Press Apply. Okay, and you're all good and ready. Hopefully you guys found that useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I also stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at Eastern Standard Time, 11 p.m. I did those in the wrong order. Whatever. See you guys later.